Hi everybody, this is Greg Price, front house engineer for Metallica. We've done some amazing shows here. I'm here at NMK Dubai, and the lovely people here have invited me here to join local engineers and speak about how I mix Metallica. A little bit of basic knowledge of what I do to get the drum sound I get, to get the bass guitar to sound the way I do on an Avid console.
And he's been around for so many years. So all that experience that he had and knowledge made him one of the top in the world. And being himself, really showing us here. And when he built the show for Metallica, and he went and specifically chose as an example the S6L because of the number of input. So when Greg decided or took on Metallica and built the system for them, I was surprised to hear that a 4-member band requiring 192 inputs.
Industry practitioner of that caliber would come here and deliver a talk. I feel like it's very important for us practitioners here in Dubai, regardless if we're just starting out or if we're already seasoned, to gain valuable insights from someone like him. So I was really excited, I was really happy when I found out that he was coming here and he was delivering the session.
The deep dives into insights from a veteran, personal life experiences and experiences with people who are in the business, who the human interaction, that's very critical, and it's good to hear it firsthand from a veteran.
He's one of the best engineers in the world. I'm lucky to meet him in person here. The gain structure, how we start building our mixer, our gain structure, and how far can we go into the mix and how loud can we achieve our mix without exceeding the SPL level. It's really something interesting.
I really appreciate the ability that NMK gives young talent by doing such a workshop with a guy like Greg Price to really use his experience and learn from, let's say, the best of the best. And what I liked really the most is that it was an interactive and workshop where everybody was engaged to, let's say, come to the console, play around themselves. And thanks again for NMK giving this opportunity.